android1.com, and then simply you just after you see this picture, scroll down and you will see this. Okay, and after that, so 6 7 8 5 4 3 2 1 okay, so download it. Now it shows if it's downloading or not. Yeah, so my one is downloading, so it's almost done. Yep, I'm waiting until it comes. Okay, done. And then you press on that, and then do you say, do you want to install this application? Install. Open, and there we go. We just got Subway Surfers hacked. So they say pick your account. There's a so I'm just gonna show you proof. So guys, here is proof. We got millions of coins, and we got all the characters and all the hoverboards and some of these rewards. Okay then, I'll catch you on another video. Goodbye. Peace.